Okay, YouTube friends, I'm on step 4 of my clutch, replacing the coil in the clutch. 2008 Honda Accord on the AC clutch. Alright, I've already loosened this, but I used this little, bumped my camera there, sorry. See if I can get it straightened back out for a second. So I use this thing, and I got it lined up pretty well, and so just spin it on out. I had loosened it before I started the camera, but pull that. So that's that little 10 millimeter head. All right, so this should come off real easy. Usually they do. Let's see. Yes, okay. Now there's going to be some spacers under here, should be. So make sure we don't lose them. There's one of them. Usually there's a thin one and a thick one. So let me set that one down. See if that one's inside here or, oh, okay. There's right there. Here's the other one. It looks like two thin ones right now. There could be another one in there. What you'll have to do is use those spacers to make sure you got a little light here. Let me get a little better light. Make sure you have your right spacing on your clutch. I believe that spacing is going to be around 15 to 20 thousandths, so I'll have to check that and look up inside. Okay. So your spacers were right on here, and that's the only two that I saw come off. Don't see another one. Alright, so now we'll be taking this snap ring off. Usually that one comes off pretty easily with a little small screwdriver. That's the end. Screwdriver. And this other screwdriver will go under it. You can just work it around by the notches. These are the easiest ones to get to. I used the smallest screwdriver last time I did this one. Did one. You just kind of twist it and pull it to you and it'll come right off. Don't force it. Have patience. Just work it right around, it'll come right off. Alright, that's it. It's the snap ring. Now, so I've got my two little spacers, I've got my nut and my snap ring laying over here. And so let's just quickly try to tap that off and see if it comes right off. Yep, okay, it just came right off. A lot of people, they don't get them lined up good, and so they, now this compressor is a new aftermarket compressor. It's less than a year old. And the failure is really not because of the part, more than likely. The fan had quit running on the one compressor on the one side of the radiator, and got all this hot. I'm pretty sure this got hot enough to melt some of the rubber on it. I feel like that's going to be the issue with it. Now to get this clutch out, it's got a, let's see if I can line you up a little bit better. This is the most difficult part, I think, right here, is this big circlip right here. You gotta either have a really good set of circlip pliers, or something. Okay, so let me, I know this video is running a little long, but this is the most difficult part.